Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very quick and helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the sound amplifier on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation here. Guys, if you have problems with the sound amplifier not working, no sound coming from the speakers, radio not working correctly, always check these fuses first. It could be quite simple fix. Even if they're good, it could be something else causing it. We'll talk about that. Please do not waste money on parts, tools, diagnostics until we watch that video. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will, guys, share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the sound amplifier, we'll be checking multiple fuses. We're talking about main fuse for the sound amplifier, the radio system as well, Bluetooth modules. All these systems work together, guys, infotainment systems. So you may need to check multiple fuses. We'll be working in different fuse boxes, and even if those fuses are good, what you may want to do, pull the fuses out, the main fuses for the sound amplifier, let the system reset for 10-15 minutes, plug the fuse back in, and that often can fix problems with the sound amplifier as well. We'll be working again in multiple fuse boxes. The first one that we need, guys, when you open the hood is on the right side, on the driver's side. You have that cover right here. Okay, all we have to do, slide the things to the front, lift it up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here, guys. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, here, okay, what we need to check now here. This is for 2012 to 2017, the facelifted version fuse box. We need to check one fuse, and that fuse is known as fuse number 19. On some models you have that one, on some you won't. It's okay, but if you have it, okay, it will be that fuse here. Now, if you have fuse box from 2008 to 2011 year model, the fuses will differ, guys, okay. The fuse box will look like this one, and here specifically we will need to check up to 2 fuses. One of them, okay, we're talking about fuse number 8, and fuse number 8 will be that 15 amp fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 9, guys, and fuse number 9 will be this fuse. On some models may have that fuse right here, okay, and you need to check after that fuse number 18. Some models may have that fuse. If you have it, it will be here on top. But don't freak out. You have two more that we need to check, and where they're located inside the car. Let me show you where, guys. We need to come to the driver's side now. Okay, I want to show you what we have here. Okay, let me get the camera to the driver's side. You see where the steering wheel is. On the left side here you're going to have one panel when you remove it. Okay, we'll have a video on the channel that's called Volkswagen Tiguan fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, video that will teach you where all your fuse boxes, hidden fuse boxes and hidden relays are located as well. Here specifically we need to check two fuses. One of them is fuse number 18. So you may or may not have this one again, but if you have it, it will be that second fuse right here. And the main fuse that we need to check today, guys, will be known as fuse number 59. So you wonder where, okay, if you have it, it will be right there. Okay, you may need to check that fuse right here if you have one as well. What about relays? Okay, guys, specifically you won't have relays for that function. You just have fuses known as relay fuses. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.